like Curry. Can't see me, but a bitch ain't blurry. I keep it crystal, I keep a nigga wet on the whistle. Bet your nigga running check, checking the pistol. These little hoes.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I handpicked 4 wigs today to share with you guys in case you want to purchase or you're looking for like long wigs in different colors. All 4 of them are all different hair companies, are longer than the others. So let's just get right into trying these really long synthetic wigs. First wig that I'm going to share with you guys is by Freetress Equals. So this is the Freetress Equals invisible part wig in the style Angel, and the color is silver. This is how it looks, y'all. This is how the wig looks. Super long. It has 2 clips in the front, and the clips are like right here. The clips are like they go right here. They don't go right there, which I don't like, because why do they go here? Like, how is that holding the wig on my head? Invisible part wig. It's not a lace wig. Yeah, so this is definitely not a lace wig. So that's a con. So I can't like lay it down with my baby hairs and slick it down because it's not a lace wig. It's literally laceless. Strap in the back, which I'm actually gonna strap up because I'm gonna have to do something. This wig is gonna come off my head and ain't got no damn lace. It feels snug on my head. It feels comfortable. It's not too tight, and it's not too loose because it doesn't have any lace. Because it doesn't have any lace, I feel like it gives off wiggy vibes, and I don't like that. Lace, it's just kind of like bulky, and it kind of gives me like a bulky vibe. With the lace, if I had it right here, I can kind of, you know, like pull it down and then like glue it, and it's very like tight and snug and like neat and flat. But I feel like without lace, it kind of gives a bulky look. I mean, it's not bad. I just don't understand why it doesn't have any lace. That's just weird to me. The wig is so long. It's literally like, it reaches a little bit above my knee. It doesn't go past my knee, and I'm 5'3". So it doesn't go past my knee, but it is pretty long, and this is how the ends look. You will definitely need to like thin out the ends so the ends are not as thick, because the ends kind of look a little bit thick. And I can run my fingers through it. It's not tangling at all, which is good. And it feels like yucky. It doesn't feel like super silky. And I like the fact that it doesn't look silky. As you can see, it has that dry look. So it kind of like resembles human hair, which is good. So this is the back. I don't know if tracks are showing. You guys will let me know, of course. But this is how the back looks. This one is by Sensationnel, and it is the Empress lace parting wig, and it is diamond 46 inches. You see how I said some companies like promote the inch in the name? Sensationnel does that. So the style is diamond 46 inch, and the color is rose gold. It is hand tied with a deep lace parting. So this is how the wig looks. It's pink. It's really pretty too. I always smell my wigs. It has no lace. What is going on? Like, none of these wigs have lace, and I want to know why. I want answers. I want answers. Why don't any of these wigs have lace on it? Oh, goodness. Okay. Ooh, putting on these wigs is always a struggle. Okay, so this one feels like really snug. Way more snug than the last one I put on, which is a good thing. Like, I don't feel like it's going to come off my head, except for when the wind blows. You're just going to see all my natural hair peeking out to the side. I like this one a lot. I like how it looks on me. I think it's just because I like the color. Gray is pretty. I just not too much of a fan of like a dark gray, especially like a, I don't know. I mean, I do like this wig. I do, because I just love pink. I love pink everything. This is how it looks. It's no tangles. It's very silky. This one is a little bit more silkier than the gray one. The gray one kind of looked like dry. This is actually a little bit more silky, a little bit more shiny, which kind of gives it a little bit of a synthetic vibe, but not too much. This is how the ends look. So the ends are just like, the ends are okay. Like I said, you can thin it out and you'll be good to go. Yeah, I just don't like this part right there. That part is just like not cute. See how it would look to the side. Cause you guys know you could do that, right? Y'all can turn y'all wigs to the side. You don't have to keep it in the middle. Look too bad to the side. It's just that it'll be irritating my eyelash because it'll be going like that. So then I'll be giving y'all real Aaliyah vibes. The next wig is by Harlem 125th Street, where I'm from. This is their Swiss lace wig collection. And this is how it looks. This is how the packaging looks, how it looks on the model. And this is a 6-inch deep part, extra long, 42 inches. The style is LSD 90 and the color is blonde. They have a 1, a 1B, and a blonde. She is like, yeah, did wear this one out, so she's looking very, very rough, but we're gonna fix her up, don't worry. Actually has lace. Yes, this wig has lace on it. It's 2 clips on the side, the perfect side where I like them, one here and one here. And I like the strap because it says Harlem on it, like in pink. I just thought that was just so dope, like and cute, that it said Harlem going across it in pink. I love that. And it has a clip in the back, so I'm just gonna stop talking and put it on. So as you can see, it doesn't look as bulky as the other wigs just because I feel like it has lace on it. It still kind of gives me wiggy vibes, but not as much as the other ones. As you can see, I'm not gonna lay it down today because I don't want any lace glue on my face, because I'm actually going out after this, and this is not me installing it on camera. This is strictly a haul. If you guys want me to like install these on camera, I can probably, okay, this chain is falling off, so it's just gonna go. And it looks natural. Like if that was like glued down, that's what you would see. I'm not a big fan of the color. I feel like the colors, it washes me out a little bit. It's a little bit too light for me, and that's crazy because I wear the lightest colors. Like, I don't know, I feel like this blonde is, this is not like a 613, this is like an ash blonde. Yeah, this is definitely ash blonde. This is not that yellow 613 blonde that I usually wear. That's probably why I'm not really a big fan of it. I like the yellow 613 wigs because I feel like it just goes with my complexion. Really thin. Let me actually comb it out for you. This wig is really thin. Oh, I did thin her out. I did thin this wig out. So it's like, it doesn't look as thick. And as you can see, the ends are very sleek and they're not thick and they're not gonna tangle. Ooh. I think with a dry shampoo, you're good because this wig just looks, I don't know, it doesn't look too wiggy. I feel like I look like a Claremont twin, and somebody wrote that in my comments, like, you look like the Claremont twins. Shout out to the Claremont twins. I adore those girls. Last but not least, we have the mama of all of these wigs, the big dog, the big daddy of all of these long wigs. Is Webster Wigs 65-inch synthetic wig, people. I went and I bought this $110 wig for y'all. Long, like, honey, 65 inches. 65, not 50. Okay, it has like clips in it because it's so long, so it has these clips that you kind of have to cut off because it's very, very long. The lace is transparent. It's not really white, it's transparent. So I'm guessing, well, not guessing, you're gonna have to color it to fit your head style. It has 2 clips right here on the side. So it's right on the sides of your head, which is where I love. I feel like all clips need to be there. If they're anywhere else, why? Going to strap it up. Okay. And I'm going to put it on my head and let's just see how this looks. So the part is beautiful. Look at the part. The part is amazing. And because the lace is transparent, imagine this with the color of my scalp. It's just gonna melt right in. The lace is very, very thin and it feels great. So like, I know when I cut the lace and I put some glue on it, I know it's gonna melt right into my skin. See, the thing about your lace is very important when it comes to lace wigs. The thicker the lace, the harder it is to lay, the more you're gonna see it on somebody's head, like, oh, that's lace, that's a lace wig. I'm gonna go ahead and just remove this little, ooh, I think I cut some of the hair, but it's fine, it's got enough hair on it. And I'm gonna do the next one. I'm just gonna cut it off. I'm just gonna kind of comb it out. I mean, it's a lot of hair to comb. It's very tangly, clearly, because it's very long. But yeah, this is how it's looking. And this brush I actually got from Webster Wigs too. It came with the wig, flat on my head. Like, you see how flat it is? I love that. Let me just pull this up a little bit. But this wig is really pretty, and I like the fact that it's jet black. Wow. And it doesn't even look synthetic. This looks like human hair, honestly. This doesn't look like a synthetic wig. It may look like one because it's thick and the ends look like they're like ready to like be so thin. But once I thin this out nice and neat and lay it down, this wig will not look synthetic, I promise you. Okay. That is all for this video, you guys. I'm happy to be back. That's all for this video, you guys. I will see you in my next one, but until then, keep slaying.
Nigga still good with the shot like Curry. Can't see me, but a bitch ain't puffy. I keep it crystal. I keep a nigga wet on the wrist. So bet you nigga running check, checking the pistol. These little hoes pet